Well, the Zebrafish Summer Institute is an innovative professional development program for secondary science teachers teaching grades 6 to 12. Every summer, we bring in 15 local science educators from through the state, and they train with us to learn about how they can use zebrafish, which is a biomedical research model, in their classrooms. The main idea is to bring in authentic research, scientific inquiries to the classroom. The Zebrafish Summer Institute is the only institute offered in the nation at UT Dallas. Because we work with teachers all the time, we're heavily engaged in providing outreach and professional development to our teachers. One problem that I identified was that our teachers lack resources and support to bring innovative, authentic scientific experiments to the classroom, and that is where the idea for the Zebrafish Summer Institute was born. I've used zebrafish as an outreach to inspire kids into STEM fields and to spark their curiosity. I also identified that I needed something solid. When I took the fish and their amazing embryos to outreach events, our kids were excited, but the excitement fizzled out as soon as I left. So I wanted something that was long-term, and that's where I developed the idea that if I train our teachers, then the spark doesn't fizzle out. And if I equip our teachers with the knowledge and the training to use a biomedical research model such as the zebrafish, that would be fantastic. The entire program of the Zebrafish Summer Institute is supported by private donations. This has made possible several different things. One, we provide each teacher with at least $500 worth of classroom supplies. So every teacher gets a aquarium starter kit and all of the supplies that they need to house zebrafish, including these zebrafish stocks that we raise in our lab. The lab has been over 8 years now, and the upkeep of the equipment needs to be sustained so that we can keep doing what we have been. So salary supports for interns, classroom supplies for teachers. There have been times where our teachers have been in classrooms where there is not even a petri dish or a pipette in the classroom. They don't have any supplies, let alone a microscope. That's where the Fish Institute comes in. Every teacher gets a stereo microscope and a camera. The camera can be attached to a HDMI, so it can be projected on the screen, which means that every student in the classroom is able to see what the microscope, what can be viewed through the microscope. This makes learning possible even when the budget is very slim, and that's where the donations come in. Every penny that comes to the lab is used to support our teachers, to support our UT Dallas students with all of the skills that they need to support teachers in the classrooms.